We got Yayoi Kusama Infinity Mirror Room tickets for London that you can't get by looking on the morning. Join us to see the Infinity Mirror Rooms, the Yoko Ono exhibition, and also show you the best sushi find in London. This is London. We're here at Tate Modern, one of my favourite places. We're kind of having a Japanese day today. Really excited to take you with us. This is the last month the Yayoi Kusama Infinity Rooms are on. Can't believe we got in. Can't wait to show you it. Loving the pumpkin. This is in the Tate Modern shop. Also there's some books on Yayoi Kusama. This one on the Infinity Mirror Rooms. So excited to be heading there next. This is the bridge across to the Infinity Rooms. We're here! Just waiting to go inside. So the first artwork, this is a universe as seen from the stairway to heaven. So, it's a big mirrored cube, and there's little windows, mirrored windows, as you can see here. And yeah, you look through, and it just feels like things are going on forever. I love it. It's like a big kaleidoscope with infinite possibility. Our Earth is only one polka dot among a million stars in the cosmos. When we obliterate nature and our bodies with polka dots, we become part of the unity of our environment. We're going into filled with the brilliance of life. Just to say, there's lights, water on the floor and mirrors creating this amazing infinity effect. I can honestly say, it takes my breath away. Forget yourself, become one with eternity, become part of your environment. This is a chandelier of grief. We're going in. Can you believe in this room there's one chandelier hanging and turning, but the mirrors and lights just make it feel like more? For the artist Kusama, the experience of art is more than just about looking. It can also be about stepping into the artwork and being immersed in it. Like this room is just one hexagonal space, but feels like it goes on forever. Kusama called this work Chandelier of Grief. It suggests that we can experience beauty and sadness at the same time. exciting to see Yayoi. Also, it's very exciting to see
Yayoi Kusama's Infinity rooms.
Yes, and the chandelier room was incredible. You went in first.
It's called Chandelier of Grief.
Chandelier of Grief. And he went in first, and it was like, oh, you're just seeing the chandelier, and then you noticed an infinity to it. That's probably why it's called that, but amazing, because at first you're not aware of it. It's incredible. And then the actual, do you know the name?
I think that's just called Infinity Room.
And then the actual
Infinity Room
was insane. It's so epic because there's water on the ground, lights everywhere. You feel like you're totally surrounded with the mirrors and everything. It just, there's something just so beautiful and life-affirming about it that, I hope you get an impression of coming with us because it was insane.
Yeah, you really just lose. The idea is that you lose your sense of self in all the infinity of the lights and the reflections, so you don't know what's real. You become less solid, I suppose.
We saw Yoko Ono, Music of the Mind. This spans 70 years of Yoko Ono's artwork. These are the wishing trees outside to make a wish. You don't actually have to go into the exhibition to see this bit. And it's beautiful. These olive trees with wishes on. This is the largest work ever of Yoko Ono's in the UK. It's amazing to think. It's from 1955 to today. This room moves at the same speed as the clouds. Love that. A work to be stepped on. I love this idea. Amazing. Gotta step on that. What an art piece. Something you really can't usually do in an art gallery. Painting to hammer a nail. Hammering a nail in a painting. So good. Something you really feel you shouldn't be able to do in an art gallery. But that's what makes it amazing. There you go, got it in. This piece really hit me. Add colour, refugee boat. It begins as an all-white boat in an all-white room. Owner's instruction for this collective participatory work reads, just blue. Like the ocean. You were invited to contribute your hopes and beliefs in blue, and it's such a beautiful way to acknowledge what has been going on in the world at the moment. People being forcibly displaced with hopes and beliefs and dreams. Amazing to think this began all white, and to add my hope and contribute to the wider hope that fills the room, and it just wow. This is another piece that grabbed me, a piece of the sky. Know that we are all part of each other. There were jigsaw pieces of sky, and you take one out, and there's something quite beautiful about it. Many rooms, many dreams, many countries in the same space. Love it. What an exhibition. So we went to the shop next and just sat down, had a look at the catalogue. There's a lovely little area by the window just to sit and explore the exhibition catalogue and just enjoy the space. Great book. As you opened it, it simply said yes. And then opening the back page, it said dream. A beautiful piece of work. We've just been to see Yoko Ono.
Yeah.
What did you think? What's your favourite bit?
I really like there was this piece called Pieces of Sky, I think it was called.
Oh yeah.
Where you could take little jigsaw puzzle pieces of the sky.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And they were displayed in hanging helmets. So that's what I chose.
Oh, I chose the same.
You chose the same piece, we didn't know.
Here's my piece here. cutting the clip.
And yeah, they were hanging in like inverted Nazi helmets.
Yeah.
So it's like war disintegrates the sky. There's unity.
Yeah, it was amazing. And I really loved the refugee room, and it was everyone being able to put a mark on the wall in a shade of blue, and it was incredible. Just it all coming together as one. I loved that. And banging nails into a canvas just because that was fun. I'm not sure of the reason, I just enjoyed banging nails into a canvas and other nails falling off. Great fun. Anyway, now we're gonna find some amazing sushi. Sushi.
Delicious.
It was insane. Can highly recommend it if you're ever in London. Get sushi there. Thank you so much for watching our London day, a Japanese one. Had such a great day. Why not click on this circle, subscribe if you like this video, or watch this video. Thanks for watching.